Introducing the Smith & Wesson BODYGUARD 2.0, now available in bold blue titanium. Built for everyday carry, this micro-compact pistol is chambered in .380 auto, packing 10+1 rounds of personal defense in the palm of your hand. Compact and capable, just 5.5 inches long with a 2.75-inch steel barrel and slide. Durable polymer frame keeps weight down to only 0.2 kilograms, perfect for discreet carry. Luminescent sights provide fast target acquisition, day or night. Striker fired with triple-layer protection, thumb safety, grip safety, and trigger safety, for peace of mind in every situation. 2 magazines included and ready out of the box. Priced at just $437 or around 34,000 pesos. This bodyguard means serious business. Smith & Wesson BODYGUARD 2.0, lightweight, secure, always ready. Go to your nearest gun store for the price and availability.